I'm going to show you how to use what's left when you feel like you've lost everything. Sometimes when you are in the state of loss, you feel less. One of the things I developed was how to move from this state of less to this state of self. The other thing that I had to learn, and I'm going to show you, is how to break out of your current mindset. I have a matrix that I use to shift the current negative thoughts to more positive self talk and to break the barriers and the boundaries that I had mentally that kept me stuck. The other things that I'm going to show you is how to feel in order to heal and to move past your pain. A lot of times we hold the things inside from that loss, and we never learned how to fully deal with it and to fully process it. And so you have to feel in order to heal. I'm going to show you how to overcome your fears and to learn how to use rejection for your advantage. You're going to learn how to tap into yourself, how to use what you have where you are.